Lucy, huh?
Lucy. I think she's yours now, man.
Oh, okay. I'll take you home. Oh.
Hey, do you want a donut?
Man, he's flying this plane.
I got it.
Oh, okay.
I took it back.
That was good, man. That was like 20 seconds of you flying it. Well, I got a Maiden this T-28.
Oh, nice. Brand new, huh?
Yeah.
We're gonna Maiden that one too.
Oh, nice. Double T-28's.
Whoa.
I'm telling you, she's strong.
Whoa.
That's the one we gave away.
Oh, it is.
The guy in Australia won. Yeah, you forgot. How quickly you forget.
Did he ever get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got it. Through Model Flight. We got it to him. Morning, Jung.
Morning, guys.
Thanks for bringing the table.
Morning.
Ready to fly?
Yup.
I like the shirt.
Thanks.
Hey, I think we'll give one away today, right?
Oh, yeah.
We gotta do that.
Random generator.
What's up, Ken?
Hey.
Scale Ken.
Tundra.
Scale airplane, yeah.
What's up, Lucy?
She's not the friendliest dog, so just be careful.
Oh.
Vicious.
Yeah.
Oh.
She's trained to kill. Should I Maiden this thing?
Let's do it before
All right.
anyone shows up.
Let's do it. I saw this bumper sticker. Oh, it wasn't a bumper sticker, it was a license plate frame. It said, the older I get, the better I was. So, after my landings with that EC 1500, I'm just bringing it down a notch. I'm bringing it down a notch. So
Yeah.
we're gonna do this.
We're trying to figure out why you didn't put that footage in.
You didn't film it. I would.
What do you mean? It was there.
No, you didn't film it. You even said you missed it.
No, I missed it. Here comes the wind.
I've never flown a Trojan before.
Have you not?
No. Now I see why you guys like them. Oh, it's super floaty. No flaps, no retracts. Simple 4-channel.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Whoa, doggy. Landing! How was that flight, Rob?
That was fun.
Good.
I did a lot of flippity floppities overhead.
Cool.
Hey.
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Oh.
I think it'll be okay. I think it'll be all right.
Go have a donut.
Is there any easier plane than this? They could bring it down
Well, you did come in downwind.
better. Yeah, it was downwind. The wind stopped and then it kind of came back again. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I meant to do that. I was testing the durability. Looks like it rolls okay. Flips okay.
Does cartwheels really well.
Durable. I think we're good.
This is a park zone from, this has got to be at least 10 years old.
Look at
Yeah.
the construction's the same. Look at that's the same. They all look the same.
You know
It's
what,
painted
we
yellow.
gotta, here, this is what we gotta do.
Oh, you retracted there a little early, Captain.
Whoa.
Captain Jung.
I have to think about this.
I mean,
So just the,
the decals are the same.
it looks the same, yeah.
You know.
The number's the same.
They the number's the same. It is. They're both 365.
They just added a
Wait
different
a
paint
minute,
job.
wait a minute.
And added $100 to it.
They had a different paint job, and then I think they upgraded the motor, right? An ESC on that. There's 4-cell now.
Is it?
Yeah, but you're right. They're same. They look exactly the same.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Mind blown.
Mind blown.
Where do you live?
Oh, it's Xavier. We got to come up with a name for Xavier.
Yeah.
I think.
Intern. Should we give him a plane? Have him start learning?
I think we got to do that. I
we
think
should.
that is absolutely what we got to do.
Cool.
100%.
Yeah.
All right, bring him over here.
Take on the responsibility of not stopping the RC if you don't carry that.
Yeah,
torch.
yeah. Well, we got some new stuff for you today. We got a T-28, that white one. You're gonna take that home today. You're gonna put it in your room. You're not gonna hang it up. It's gonna be in your room. We're gonna teach you how to fly it. And we got you a real flight simulator. And if your parents let you download the disc to the computer,
Check with your parents first.
you can use that. But we're still getting a few more things. We got a radio for you. We need a battery charger because you won't have any batteries. You got to keep coming out here to get a fresh battery.
We'll get you set up with everything.
Yep.
We'll get you going. This
Cool.
is like,
So-
how many times have you been out here now? Like 4 times?
Around, I think.
Yeah. So you've got to start flying, man.
Yep.
That's
you,
it.
You ready to start learning how to fly?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Your parents gonna be okay with that?
I think.
Are they cool?
I don't know.
Probably a good idea to say, yeah, they're really
Yeah,
cool.
they are.
You don't like donuts, do you?
I do.
Oh, okay, good.
So what are we gonna call him? Kind of like social media intern though.
But he's not going to be the intern forever. He's going to be flying
but
jets
that's
under the
like
net soon.
And you get an intern in a new job. I mean, you still call him an intern, and then when they elevate up, they
Okay,
become
so we'll
something
call
else.
him intern X for a while,
There we go.
and then
Intern X?
once he goes under the net inverted, then he's Captain X.
Okay. Sounds good.
I don't think he's really on board with this, but it's all right.
Cool. Well, hey, I'm gonna Maiden the T-28 right now. Just make sure it flies.
He's going to wreck it before he gives it to you.
The radio we're gonna give you, we can do a trainer setup where we can fly it and we can give you the controls and you can try to fly it. And once the plane starts crashing, we can take the controls back over.
Well, I think we should probably start with him at the beginning, how the control services work and stuff. We'll go over all that, right?
We will.
Yes, because you're going to give him a 4-channel
You're
plane.
gonna help with that, aren't you?
Oh, sure. We're all going to pitch in,
I have
except
no
for
idea.
Rob.
I just know that up, down.
Right now, he's like, I just want to fly quads.
Yeah, try it. Hey, should we give intern X the quad too? If that's right? We're gonna fly this right now. I'm gonna fly it. We're gonna just turn these on. You always turn on your radio first. You always turn your radio on first.
You seem to be having trouble there. What's the problem, Captain Donuts?
I don't know. It's a crazy dog. So we
First
don't-
thing, always turn the radio on. Never stand in front of the airplane.
Never
Oh, oops. What do you think, Goose? What do you think?
So what I'm doing now is I'm just getting it all trimmed up.
Okay, well then,
You guys want to do under the net?
Butter. And that's exactly how you're going to do it.
So what we'll do next is we'll get it bind up in a trainer mode for you.
That's a cat.
It
It's
is.
a really frisky cat.
How old is it?
She's 4 months. Do you want her?
Did you want to say hi?
$8.
Isn't he cute? Like you chew my bubble gum. That's really
Whoa. You guys have on a little bit of, oh, you guys are brothers up there. You guys behave.
Okay.
Really old though. My wife's done with dogs. It's just it limited our travel the last 10 years.
Yeah, so we spent
Sorry.
That was interesting.
for like
Super bumpity up there.
you're very yeah.
Uh-oh.
If anything goes
Nice.
wrong, we can blame it on
Nice flight, guys. Defending London. It's time to give away that shirt, man.
Wait, intern needs a shirt.
Intern needs a shirt.
Intern needs a shirt.
Intern will, after he flies, he'll get a shirt.
After he flies.
He'll get a shirt. I have the random comment picker.
Random comment picker.
All right.
So wait a
I'm gonna
second.
paste the YouTube link.
So everyone who made a comment.
Yeah.
So if I made 10 comments, I have a.
Nope. I will exclude you if you made multiple comments.
Oh. Want me to hold doggy first?
Yeah. Hold the dog for a second.
Oh my God. Oh.
It's loaded.
Oh.
We did it.
Okay.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Fetch. Okay,
get
so
it.
we're gonna do not include replies. No do. 196 comments.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Pick a winner.
Okay, winner.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, it's Elon Musk's kid's name.
That's right.
Who put their tail number on as their
XO2AC3.
Congratulations.
XO2AC3.
Congratulations.
No.
Congrats.
I don't know who that
You get a
is.
shirt.
Congrats. I hope you're in the U.S., Canada, whatever. You get
Mexico.
a shirt.
Yeah, include Mexico.
Yep. Send me a Facebook message and we will get a shirt out to you with your address and all that. All right.
We
Oh,
hope,
let us know your size.
XO2AC3 and your size.
Extra
Yes.
small, only available.
We're down to extra smalls and snuggies. Sorry.
Let's see. It looks like roll right, roll left, up is up, down is down. Right rudder, left rudder. Yep. And forward.
Yeah. Don't just wiggle the controls. Actually check they're going in the right direction.
Whoa. All right, let's get some trim in there, huh?
Whoa.
Oh, Rob's back. We thought he left the club. I was so excited.
Oh, Rob's back.
I was so excited. I thought
know
he
it's
was gone.
Yeah, it's so quiet now.
God,
Nice.
it was
Yeah.
like, this is great.
We gave your quad to intern X. That's okay.
man.
Since you left.
So much smack talk.
Drifting with the Corsair.
I didn't think I was gonna make it, and all of a sudden it's like, oh, I think I'm gonna make it. Xavier, how old are you?
I'm 12.
You're 12?
Hello.
That is one smart dog. Already enjoying the RC.
It's basically going to search for a receiver that's in the bottom mode. The new receivers, there's actually just a low button, so it doesn't need this. Anyhow, so the last one.
This is your new radio. Ken's gonna fly and take off. He's gonna say you have control. That means you can try flying it. If you screw up, he can just take it back and fly the plane. So why don't you go ahead and stand
So he's
next
going to take off, he'll land it. You're just going to get a chance to get a feel for it.
So yeah, so when I give you the controls, you're going to put your stick around here for middle of the throttle.
Yeah, I would probably just keep it there.
Yeah, keep it there.
I wouldn't even take it.
So
All right, he's up.
Right a little bit. Hold on. I'm gonna make sure it's trimmed on my radio.
They're trying to do like mascot. Are they buddy boxing?
It's a wireless buddy box.
It is wireless?
Yep.
Yeah, it's all yours now.
All yours.
Try to pull up.
I took it back. It's okay. That's all yours.
Oh,
It's okay.
He's not doing anything, Ken, and it's.
No, I think it's out of trim.
Okay.
I think it's a trim
Ken,
problem.
I'd take it.
All right, yours.
Yeah, it's just out of trim. Ken might take it back. There you go.
Ready? Here you go. All yours. So roll
Turn the other way.
right a little bit. Nice.
Oh, Ken,
I
take
got it. I got it.
So that's good. That's
Yeah,
good.
Good.
Nice job,
That's good.
man.
You rolled it
rolled
back
it.
the other way,
There you
but then
go.
you over a little too much, right?
Yeah.
So it's easy to
Walk
overcorrect.
her on the left, Ken.
Okay. So I'm gonna come back around it. Nice
Got
and
this.
easy.
Now turn
Nice
the other
and
way.
Roll right. Roll right. Oh, I took it back. Apprentice. There's no safe mode in this.
Nope.
So
This is a more challenging plane to fly. There are easier planes, just so you know.
you ready, X? You ready? It's okay. You're fine. Huh? You ready?
Yep.
Okay. All yours. Nice and gentle. So roll right.
Try the other way.
Try the other way. That's good. Good.
Ooh!
Look at that. There you go. Roll
He's
left.
flying it. He's flying it.
It's all yours still.
It's all yours still.
You're flying
Pull
it
up.
next.
Pull up a little bit. There you go. Pull right. No, you're fine.
Yep.
You're
You're in
fine.
the left turn, so there you go.
There you
Man, he's flying this plane.
go. I got it. I got it.
Oh, okay.
I took it back.
That was good, man. That was like 20 seconds of you flying
Hey,
it.
that was good, man.
That's
Gotta walk her,
good.
Ken.
I see it. No, you're fine. Relax.
That's awesome.
Relax. That was good.
Nice job. He's gonna give it
Good
back to
job.
you.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, when you're going towards it, it's a little harder, isn't it? Hey, Ken, take it.
No, he got it.
He's a natural.
You're a natural, man. If you can handle this right now like that,
You're getting the hang of it.
you'll get the hang of it for
You're getting the
sure.
hang of it.
For
So
sure.
I'm gonna come back around again, and I'm gonna give it back to you. Okay?
I mean, there's wind. It's not easy.
Get back to the big line back there. Turn around, and it's all yours.
Woohoo! You gotta walk her come straight in front of you, Ken, straight towards us.
Okay.
He's gonna come right across the center of the
I
runway.
see.
Doing great. You are doing great.
There you go. Look at that.
All you, X.
That's all you, X. Good. Look, he's making all these tight turns.
This kid's a
and stuff
natural,
like
man.
that.
He really is.
He's making all these tight turns and everything. Oh my goodness. Don't worry about the other plane. You're fine.
See ya. I gotta go, guys.
All right, man.
Go, Steve.
I
Have a
gotta
good
go.
one.
See you guys.
Take it easy.
Yep. Help, you bet. Intern X, whoa. Great flying. These guys will help you get the plane to your house, okay?
Yep, we'll get it for you.
All right. Hopefully we'll see you next weekend.
I got it.
Nice. See? It happens, right?
Sorry. Yeah.
Awesome. That went great, man. That went great. You gonna stick with it?
That was awesome.
Was it fun?
Yeah. It's scary.
Yeah, I know. It's super scary the first time you do it.
And it's not the easiest plane to fly.
No, and you know, he's got a lot of pitch sensitivity, I think, on that radio, right?
Yeah.
So that's pretty impressive that he managed to
Well,
wrangle that thing around.
uh-oh.
Oh, the tape came loose.
So we got a new project for you, X. When you get home, put more tape across this, okay?
Get it straight.
Make it look nice and clean.
So
Sorry.
you gotta put tape right across here and here. But
Yeah,
I gotta go. We'll see you maybe next weekend.
Bye.
All right,
See you, Captain Donuts. Good work.
I guess we don't have any more batteries, right?
That won't power on automatically.
No, it won't.
Oh no! Oh no!
I knew it.
It was the. Like custom.